Garbha Dance festival நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. So Navratri oda and the continuation la this is one of the biggest event that everybody actually looks for. Nariya family reunion, nariya children's oda reunion நடக்கும் and everybody becomes a dancer here. Garbha dance ஆடுறதுல வந்து people have so much of love towards it and it's actually a display of your dancing skill as well as your energy. The whole temple complex was fully decorated. People queued in temples to have darshan and take blessings of the Almighty God. A lot of family reunion was also happening. And devotees were dressed in traditional wear and the entire area looked like a mini India. And I could feel the festival mood there. Behind me is the temple complex where lot of temples are placed. We have the temple from Gujarati Samaj, Lagos Tamil Sangam and Ayyappa temple plus other goddess inside the prayer hall. So this is where the actual Dhandiya or the Garbha dance is happening. Let's go inside and see how it is.
From Lagos, we are having a great Dhandiya party here in the temple in Illujepu, and it's such a fun and frolic event with so many people and Indians around you. You feel like it's mini India. It's so much of having fun. A lot of dances is going on, and everybody you see, families, kids. It's a great festive environment in Lagos. Thank you so much, Arvind, for capturing me.
Good evening everybody, Jai Mata Di, Jai Bharat. You can see there is a, the event is happening is called Garbha Nritya. This Nritya is from medieval India, they state from Gujarat, where the people, the boys, the girls, the gents and ladies, they dance and they pray Mata.
The whole evening was electrifying with some great Garbha music and beautiful dance moves. Indeed, it was very pleasing to see Indians upholding their culture and tradition abroad. Thanks for watching this video. See you again with some interesting stories.